Okay, let's translate some possessive fragments in which the item is dual or plural. And remember that if you see a wow or a e ending, that tells you that it used to be una or ina, right? Which means that it's plural. If you see a or a ending, that tells you that it was either ani or aini, which means that it's dual. Okay, number 1. مهلكو أهل هذه القرية.
Okay, so, well, this is a possessive chain, right? Because general, specific.
Right, so we have مهلكو general, أهل general, and then هذه is
specific.
Right, so that's a possessive chain.
And then هذه القرية is pointer fragment.
Good.
And then, so مهلكو, because it ends in a wow, that means it was originally una.
Good, so we know that's plural.
Plural.
Right.
So the destroyers of the people of this town.
Good. So that's our possessive chain, the destroyers of the people, and then of this town, that's our pointer. Okay, مرسل الناقة. Example we saw, but we'll do it again anyways.
Okay, so مرسل is general and ناقة is specific, it's possessive. And then مرسلو ends in wow, so that tells us it was originally una. And so it's plural, so senders of the she-camel.
Good, the senders of the she-camel. Number 3, رسول ربك.
This is a possessive chain because Rasula general, Rabbi general, Ka specific.
Good.
And then if we're looking at Rasula, because it ends with an alif, that means it used to be Ani.
Good.
So it's dual,
Good.
A pair. So the 2 messengers.
The 2 messengers or prophets of
your Lord.
Very good. Okay, number 4, أبويه.
Okay, so he is an attached pronoun, so that's specific, and abaway is general.
Good.
So possessive, and then abaway.
Yeah. A tells us
that it was pair.
Right, because aini used to be aini. So that tells us pair.
So his 2 parents.
Good. His 2 parents. Very good. ذائق العذاب الأليم.
Okay, so this is ذائق العذاب is general, specific, so that's possessive.
Good.
And then العذاب الأليم is descriptive because it's specific, noun, adjective.
Good. And then
so ذائق is taster. Oh yeah, and ذائق ends in wow, so that tells us it was plural.
Yeah, it used to be una.
Yeah.
So, translation?
So ذائق, the tasters of the punishment, of the painful punishment.
Right, so descriptive.
Yeah.
So the description comes first. Painful punishment. Okay, last one. مهلكوها.
So ha is attached pronoun, so that's the owner, and muhliku is the item.
Right, specific, general.
Yeah, specific followed by general, or general followed by specific. And then muhliku, the wow tells us it used to be una again.
Good.
So it's plural. So muhliku is destroyers of it, or its destroyer.
Yeah, the destroyers of it, literally. Or its destroyers, more natural.